Hi, I'm Sarah from the DIY Mama blog, and today I'm doing another unboxing of my CSA produce box that I received from Yasukochi Farms, located in San Diego. So first off, I got this add-on pack of little pumpkins, and I would love to make this into pumpkin soup because the temperature has finally started to drop around here. But I'm pretty sure these are gonna get hijacked by my daughter for decorating purposes. And then opening up the box, whew, lots of good stuff. So to start off, it smells like rosemary. Ooh, yummy. Blackberries. Some, looks like mixed greens for salad. And a bag of fresh green beans, mushrooms, ooh, a pomegranate, and I think this is a pear, some apples, avocado, my favorite, zucchini. This is a cucumber, not a zucchini. Ooh, another little pumpkin. And some tangerines. These are my favorite also. Sweet potatoes or yams. I don't know which one you would call them. Some bok choy and broccoli. Another tangerine, some pears, 2 lemons, fresh tomatoes. Oh my gosh, I'm running out of room over here. Little baby watermelon, yum. An onion, celery. Ooh, I could definitely make some homemade chicken noodle soup too. Carrots, a potato, bell pepper, and corn. Awesome. I love the variety that came in the box this week, and thank you for joining me for this unboxing.